Parkway Station, our final destination. All passengers, please exit the train with all your personal belongings. Thank you for riding RTD Hybrid.
Doors will open automatically. It's going to go open on this side. That's the brakes. Here we are. There's a door
No
open button
boarding
right
in this
there.
platform. Please depart from the other side of the platform.
Ah, we missed that train that just departed.
Alright. Are you getting on this one?
Yep. Heading back to the same direction, which will be on the other side of the platform. There's the diverging approach signal. That means proceed prepare to stop at the next signal. There's that newer SD160 right there that we just rode. But we're gonna get the older one right here, I think. It's not gonna depart until it comes back around. So this is gonna be a while. We're at the brand new Ridgegate Station. This thing is gonna depart in a second.
No boarding in this platform. Please depart from the other side of the platform.
You can hear that platform.
Your attention please RTD customers on the H line. At this time, H line trains are single tracking between Convention Center and Colfax and Auraria Station. Due to a broken rail outside of Convention Center Station, we apologize of inconvenience. For more information, please visit rtd-denver.com.
That signal's wrong.
Next train is arriving. Please stand behind the yellow line.
Back up a little
No
bit.
boarding at this platform. Please depart from the other side of the platform.
Really is not very busy today, huh?
I know, right? We have the older one this time.
This is the E line to Union Station.